Need to remove old recordings, delete test videos, or clean up your Loom library? Deleting unnecessary videos can help keep your workspace organized and make it easier to manage your content. In this guide, I'll show you how to delete Loom videos in 2026. First, open Loom and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your video library, where all of your recordings are stored. Browse through your video library and find the recording you want to remove. You can use search or folders if your library contains a large number of videos. Click the Videos Options menu, which is often represented by 3 dots or a More Actions button. This menu contains management options for the selected recording. Choose the Delete option from the menu. Make sure you've selected the correct video, because deleting important recordings can be difficult to undo. Loom may ask you to confirm the action before permanently removing the video. Review the details and proceed if you're sure. After confirming, refresh your video library and verify that the recording no longer appears in your workspace. If you're organizing your account, repeat the process for other outdated or unnecessary recordings. Regular cleanup can keep your workspace efficient and easy to navigate. And that's how to delete Loom videos in 2026. By removing old or unwanted recordings, you can keep your library organized and focused on the content that matters most. So take a few minutes to tidy up your workspace and maintain a cleaner video collection. Thanks for watching.